Okay, so I toned the Morris Sue hair extensions I got. The ones that had the more 27 ends came out with some nice streaks of pale and still was like a warm blonde in. And this is the one with the more like number 2 top. It's come out quite ashy. So the two sets mixed makes up 240 grams. So I'm going to bricklay them in to sort of create less wefts, but 2 sets of hair, if you know what I mean. So I'm just going to put my hair up how I do for the clip weave. I've still got well bad roots at the moment. Because I've been trying not to dye my hair, and that's why everyone hated me for buying extensions. Not because I was going to dye my hair, but just because they don't want me to keep doing my hair. They just want me to leave it alone because I've like killed it once too many times now. But what was I going to say? Yeah, because look at that. Because I haven't dyed it for so long, I'm actually quite scared to dye it. Anyway, let me just put this up. Okay, so I've put all of my hair up as I normally do, and I've just started clipping in the tracks. Okay, so I don't know what that looks like from the back. It probably looks absolutely terrible, but what can you do? So these ones are the ones with the more warm tone root that I'm putting in first. And then I'm going to put the ashier tone ones on the top. So I don't know what's going on here. I'm getting all mixed up. One sec. No, that was right. So this is the 4 clip weft out of the ones with the more warm thingy. Then I'm going in with a 3 and a 2 of the darker root. It's a lot of hair in it. Maybe it's too much hair, but you know, it's really comfortable, mind you. I slept in it the other night. You should never do that, should you? But you know, you just can't be arsed. I just could not be arsed to sit and take out all my extensions. And I just started nodding it off. So then I thought, oh, fuck it. Do you know what? I'm just going to sleep in it. How bad's that? But yeah, that actually was really comfortable to sleep in because they're quite fine tracks. They were really flat to my head. Right, okay. This is what we're looking at. What we're working with. Hold on. So the finished product. Do we think it might be a little bit too much hair? And a little bit too ashy, maybe?